Okay, so there's a business model right now where people are making $3, $5, $10,000 a month, selling something that costs them nothing to make. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service nightmares. You create it once, and it sells forever, while you sleep, while you're at the gym, while you're binge-watching Netflix. I'm talking about digital products. And before you roll your eyes and say, yeah, I've heard of this, hear me out. Because most people get this completely wrong. They think digital products means writing an ebook that nobody reads, or creating a course that takes 6 months to build. That's the old playbook. What I'm about to show you is the new playbook, the one that's actually working in 2026. 5 specific digital products you can create this week, where to sell them, and how to get your first sale without a single follower. And stay until the end, because product number 5, that's the one making people stupid money right now. And almost nobody's doing it yet. All right, let me kill the biggest myth first, because this trips up 90% of beginners. People think you need to be an expert. They think, who am I to sell a digital product? I don't have a degree. I don't have 10 years of experience. I'm not some guru. And I get it. I really do. That voice in your head, totally normal. But here's what you need to understand. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the person buying your product. Think about it. A college sophomore can tutor a high school freshman. A home cook who's mastered 5 recipes can sell a meal prep guide. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know something that saves someone else time, money, or headaches. That's the whole game. That's literally it. Okay, so digital product number 1. And this is the easiest one to start with. Templates. I'm talking Canva templates, Notion templates, spreadsheet templates, resume templates, things people can download and customize in 5 minutes. And the reason templates are insane for beginners is you can make one in a few hours. Seriously. Open Canva, design 10 Instagram post templates, package them up, and sell them for $15 to $25. But who would pay for that? Oh, you'd be surprised. Small business owners, social media managers, real estate agents, coaches. These people don't have time to design from scratch. They're not paying for your design skills. They're paying for your time savings. Here's a real example. There's a woman on Etsy who sells Canva social media templates. Just templates. She charges $12 per pack. Last I checked, she had over 40,000 sales. You do the math. 40,000 times 12. That's almost $500,000 from templates. Now, will you make $500,000? Probably not right away. But 100 sales at $20? That's $2,000. And it's passive after the initial work. The best part? It costs you nothing. Canva has a free tier. You're literally creating money out of pixels. Digital product number 2. Printable planners and organizers. Curious. This one sounds boring, I know, but boring is where the money is. Let me explain. People are obsessed with organization right now. Budget trackers, meal planners, fitness journals, habit trackers, goal-setting worksheets. Go on Etsy right now and search Printable Planner. The top sellers have hundreds of thousands of sales. And here's the thing that blows people's minds. These are literally PDF files. You design them once in Canva, export as PDF, list them, and every sale is pure profit. There's no printing. There's no shipping. The customer downloads the file and prints it themselves. The sweet spot for pricing? $7 to $15 per planner. Bundle 5 planners together and sell the bundle for $35. People love bundles. It feels like a deal, even when you're marking up. Laughs. I know someone who makes $2,000 a month selling, I kid you not, a printable grocery list template. A grocery list. Sometimes the simplest things sell the best because they solve an everyday problem. Number 3. And this is where it starts getting really interesting. Mini courses and workshops. Not the traditional spend 6 months building a massive course approach. I'm talking about small, focused, specific courses that solve one problem. Here's the difference. The old way, Create a 40-hour comprehensive course on digital marketing. Nobody finishes it. Nobody gets results. Refund City, the new way. Create a 2-hour course on how to set up Facebook ads for your local restaurant. Super specific, clear outcome, easy to deliver, and you can charge $50 to $200 for it. The platforms are free to start. Gumroad takes a small cut per sale. Teachable has a free tier. You can even sell through a simple Notion page with a Stripe payment link. That's literally a Notion page and a link. It's embarrassingly simple. And here's the kicker. You don't need to record yourself on camera. Screen recordings work. Slide presentations work. Some of the highest-selling mini courses on Gumroad are literally just well-organized Notion documents with screenshots. And honestly, if I had to pick one platform to start on right now, it's Gumroad. No monthly fees, dead simple to set up, and you keep most of the money. I've seen people go from 0 to their first 100 sales in under 2 months just by pairing a Gumroad product with free content on Twitter or TikTok. It's the lowest friction way to prove your idea works. Number 4. This one's underrated, and I think it's going to explode in the next year. Digital tools and resources for businesses. I'm talking things like email templates for cold outreach, social media caption packs, SEO checklists, client onboarding packets, pitch deck templates, standard operating procedure documents. See, here's what most people miss. They create digital products for consumers, individuals. But the real money? It's in B2B, business to business. A freelancer will pay $5 for an ebook, but a business owner will pay $50 for a pack of email templates that saves their team 10 hours a week. Same effort to create, 10 times the price. And where do you sell these? Etsy works, Gumroad works, but also, and this is the move that most creators sleep on, LinkedIn. Post about the problem your product solves, build a small following of business owners, and sell directly. No platform fees, no competition from a million other listings. The margins are absolutely ridiculous. Your cost is $0. Your price is $20 to $100. Every single sale is profit. And now, number 5. The one I saved for last because honestly, it's almost unfair. AI-powered digital products. Okay, so here's what's happening right now. People are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude to create digital products in hours that used to take weeks. I'm talking AI prompt packs, curated collections of prompts for specific use cases, 500 ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents, 200 Midjourney prompts for social media graphics. These are selling for $15 to $50 on Etsy and Gumroad right now. But it goes deeper. You can use AI to help you create the other 4 products I just mentioned. Use ChatGPT to draft your email template pack. Use Midjourney or Canva AI to design your templates. Use Claude to outline your mini course. You're using AI to build products about AI and products made with AI. It's like Inception, but for money. The people who are jumping on this now are going to own these categories, because in 6 months, everyone and their mom will be doing this. But right now, the market is wide open. I checked Etsy last week. AI prompt pack. Most sellers have under 1,000 sales. Compare that to Canva template, where top sellers have 40,000. That gap? That's your opportunity. Get in before it's crowded. Okay, so you've got your 5 product types, but I know what you're thinking. Where do I actually sell these? Let me break down the platforms real quick because picking the wrong one can kill your sales. Etsy, best for templates, printables, and planners. Built-in traffic. Millions of buyers already searching. Downside. Fees add up and competition is growing. But for beginners, start here. The traffic is free. Gumroad, best for courses, guides, and digital tools. Clean, simple, creator-friendly. They take a small percentage per sale. No monthly fees. Perfect if you want to drive your own traffic. Shopify, best when you're scaling. Build your own store, own your customer list, run ads. This is the move once you're making consistent sales and want to level up. Your own website with Stripe, the pro move. 0 platform fees. You keep everything. Works great if you already have an audience or you're building one on social media. My honest recommendation? Start on Etsy or Gumroad. Get your first 10 sales. Prove the concept works. Then build your own storefront. Don't over-engineer this at the start. Now here's where I need to be real with you, because every other YouTube video about digital products makes it sound like you just list something and money falls from the sky. Curious. That's not how it works. Here's what they don't tell you. Your first product might flop. Seriously. You might spend a weekend creating the perfect template pack and sell 0 copies in the first month. And that's normal. It doesn't mean the model is broken. It means your positioning, your keywords, or your thumbnail needs work. The people making 5 figures a month from digital products, they have 10, 20, sometimes 50 products listed. It's a numbers game combined with optimization. Each product is a tiny asset that earns a little bit. Stack enough of them and it adds up fast. Think of it like a vending machine business. One machine in one location makes you $50 a month. Not exciting, but 50 machines? That's $2,500 a month. Passive. And that's exactly how digital products work. The other thing nobody tells you. The first product teaches you everything. Pricing, descriptions, keywords, thumbnails, customer expectations. Your second product will be twice as good. Your 5th product will be 10 times better. So don't wait for perfection, just ship it. And if you want my honest opinion, the biggest mistake I see beginners make is spending 3 weeks perfecting one product instead of launching 3 imperfect ones. Perfectionism is a money killer in this game. Put it out there, see what the market tells you, and then improve it. The market is smarter than your assumptions. Let it guide you. So, to recap, 5 digital products you can start selling this week. Templates, printable planners, mini courses, business tools, and AI-powered products. Total investment to start. Literally $0. The ceiling? There is no ceiling. People are making 6 figures a year from digital products alone. If you got value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping videos like this every single week. No fluff, no BS, just the actual strategies that are working right now. And drop a comment. Which of these 5 products are you going to create first? I read every single one, and I'll reply with tips specific to your idea.